Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's continue on with our experiments of how we're going to get grip to fire roll non-ash fire rolls. I want to dilute some of this liquid sap while it's still water soluble and apply that to the top board. It doesn't seem like it would work. Seems like it would pull the cotton apart, but I'll go for a very weak solution. Now, I don't know for sure that pine sap, especially the kind that's still liquid, will dissolve in water. It's not acting like it wants to. And of course, when it's hardened into fat wood, it's not going to dissolve in water. But you have to remember that it was soluble enough to go through that pine tree to try to, put a bandage on a cut place on that tree. So at one point, it was water soluble. Well, we got the mullein to fire roll at least. Let's try the mullein again. This pine resin is doing a good job providing grip for me. Just barely got it to ignite, but it did ignite, didn't it? Good. I'm going to scrape off some of that cotton that's stuck to it. It's doing a good job though. Let's see if we can get one more ignition, a stronger ignition with the mullein. Pine resin for grip. Just now starting to see some smoke come out of it. Once again, it was all up in the tip, which tells me that I'm over rolling it. Yeah, that one started too, where I pulled it apart. So I guess I'm over rolling it, and the only place that it can ignite is up next to the tip. Let's see if we can prove that. I won't roll it as hard and as long. It might need more leaf than that. I never thought about that. Let's put twice the amount of mullein leaf in there. See if that'll help it make a hotter burning ember. Scrape off some of those cotton fibers so it'll be sticky again. I am really pleased with this gripping medium. But that's only 20 rolls. Let's roll it some more. Let's give it 20 more. That was only 17, but it's smoking. Let's see if we can save it. I see a lot of smoke coming out of that. Let's see if it'll stay ignited this time. Now, what I think that's telling me is I'm using too much cotton for mullein. Good. That is 4 ignitions with mullein and cotton using pine resin as a grip medium. It is very slow to rise to the surface from that core, isn't it? All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. Wheel. Catch you on the next one.